Hey guys, today we are going to see how to make this 3D card like XENOZ. Let's start off by making the image we'll use as a texture for the card. For the base image I'll use the same XENOZ used, link in desk if you want it. Hold the shape button, select rounded rectangle and mask the card shape. Now let's complete it with texts. Add a new solid layer. Make it invisible and add a mask like the one from before. Now create another solid and apply the element effect to it. Set the masked solid layer as the element mask. Precompose all the layers used for the card image and set the precomposed layer as the element texture. Now click on Scene Setup and then click on Extrude to create the 3D shape. In the texture panel, click on Diffuse and select the layer of the image we made before. As you can see, the base card is done. Now let's add some shiny edges to it. Duplicate the card model and change the material to chrome. Now slightly decrease the extrude value and increase expand edges to your liking. That's basically it for the card itself. I will now animate the movement. This process is pretty simple and will be different from one edit to another. Use this just as an example. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.